Hello, good morning, sir. My name is Janice Pipakot, and I'm going to discuss the display of other navigational information and display mode and generation of the neighboring area. So for today's topic is we're going to discuss the learning outcomes for today's topic. So the learning outcomes is to discuss the IMO performance standard for ICDIS operational and functional requirements. Next is the display of other navigational information and display mode and generation of the neighboring area. So today's topic is we're going to discuss the display of other navigational information. So first, radar information or AIS information may be transferred from systems compliant with the relevant standards of the organization. Other navigational information may be added to the ICDIS display. However, it should not degrade the displayed system database information, and it should be clearly distinguishable from the system database information. It should be possible to remove the radar information, AIS information, and other navigational information by single operator action. And ICDIS and added navigational information should use a common reference system. If this is not the case, an indication should be provided. Next, for the required navigational information and display mode is radar. So radar SP transferred information may contain a radar image and or track target information. If the radar image is added to the ICDIS display, the chart and the radar image should match in scale, projection, and orientation. Next is the radar image and the position from the position sensor should both be adjusted automatically for antenna offset from the conning position. Next, for the discussion of the display mode and generation of neighboring area. So, it should always be possible to display the system database information in a north-up orientation. Always be north-up. Other orientations are permitted. When such orientations are displayed, the orientation should be altered in steps large enough to avoid unstable displays for the chart information. So for the displaying mode and generation for the neighboring area, it should be required in a north mode, a north-up orientation. ICDIS should provide for true motion mode and other modes are permitted. So the modes should be permitted. Other modes should be permitted. When true motion is, for example, when true motion mode is in use, reset and generation of the chart display of the neighboring area should take place automatically at on ship's distance from the edge of the display as determined by the mariner. And it should be possible to manually change the displayed chart area and the position of on ship relative to the edge of the display. And lastly, if the area covered by the ICDIS display includes waters from which NO ENC at scale appropriate for navigation is available, the areas representing those waters should carry an indication. To the mariner, refer to the paper chart or to the CDS mode of operation. So that's all for the discussion on the display of other navigational information and display mode and generation of the neighboring area. Thank you and God bless.